This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the home button on the Epic Privacy browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy browser opened up now. To display or remove your home button, as you can see in the upper left-hand corner here, I do not have my home button showing. By default, it's probably not showing for you. But to display it or remove it, there's many ways to do it. But the way that I'm going to show you, go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings, and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Appearance. Click on Appearance. And then on the center pane, right up here, Show Home Button. As you can see, mine is currently disabled, but to enable the home button, I'll just toggle this on. Now my home button has appeared up here, and while you have it toggled on, you can choose between New Tab Page or a custom URL. You could place a custom URL in here for your home page. But to enable it or disable it, right here is the toggle. Thanks for watching.